Okay, so today we're going to make chicken taquitos, and I have made them WW friendly by using fat-free cream cheese and this low-fat mozzarella. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a teaspoon and a half chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin, some garlic powder, and like a teaspoon of that, and a half teaspoon of onion powder, 4 ounces of fat-free cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of green salsa, 1 cup of low-fat mozzarella, a tablespoon of lime juice or the juice of 1 lime, 2 or 3 tablespoons of green onions, and 2.5 cups of chicken. So to start off, we're going to mix in our cream cheese, mozzarella, our salsa, seasonings. We're going to mix that all together. Gosh, it smells so good. You know what's going to work better? This is going to work better. Gosh, I wish you guys could smell this. Woo. It smells so good. I'm going to dump in the green onions and the chicken. That's 2.5 cups, if I didn't tell you that. Mix it all up. Add the cheese. This cheese is interesting. It's made from almonds. There's some milk in it, but it's not enough to make you have a problem if you're like lactose intolerant. I found it at Trader Joe's. It's the same point value in Weight Watchers as is the fat-free cheddar cheese. 1 point for 1/4 cup. So, okay, I'm going to come back and show you how to make the taquitos in just a second. All right, so these corn tortillas, do 3 or 4 or 5 of them at a time in a damp paper towel for 20 seconds in the microwave because it makes them a little bit more pliable. You're going to put a couple of tablespoons worth of the chicken stuff at the bottom. Then you're going to roll it up as tight as you can. And then you're going to place them on a baking sheet. And I will continue doing this until we're all done. I cooked these in an air fryer at 390 degrees for about 8 minutes each. Some of them got super toasty, but don't they look delicious?